Court is back in session. This trial docket. Next case is cause number 326-234. Case is filed with State of Texas versus Brandon Joseph Roberson. Brandon Roberson was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9:00 a.m. for the court's trial docket on today's date of February 7th, 2022. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Brandon Roberson at the courthouse door. Brandon Roberson did not answer. Brandon Roberson has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 12:21 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Brandon Roberson? Of course, Bailiff just called Brandon Roberson's name again at the courthouse door. Brandon Roberson did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Roberson an opportunity to appear in court. State, do you have a motion?
Your Honor, state will move for forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Brandon Roberson's bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 326-234. Okay, there's somebody appearing on Zoom. Mr. Okay. Sir, would you please identify yourself?
Ryan Epps.
Okay, Mr. Epps, just put your mic back on mute. We're waiting for your attorney to appear on Zoom.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there he is. Court is in session and calls number 330514. Case is style of State of Texas versus Ryan Van Roberson. We have Mr. Ryan Van Roberson who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Roberson, how are you doing?
Incorrect last name, sir.
Okay, this is Ryan Van Epps. Mr.
Yes,
Epps,
sir.
how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Epps. You're here represented by your attorney, Mr. James Paget. Mr. Paget, again, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor.
That's good. Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Epps' case?
The felony out of the same transaction as your misdemeanor, Your Honor, is set on March the 7th, 10 a.m.
March 7th. You would like this case set on the same date?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, Okay, the coordinator said they're showing the computer that's set on the 14th.
I understand. I called, it's set on the 14th of February. I know. I called him, Your Honor, and told him that I had to schedule a conflict on that date. So Susan is going to be moving it until March the 7th. I just spoke to her about 5-10 minutes ago.
Okay. This case is going to be reset to March 7th of 2022. Mr. Epps, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. This will conclude your case. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. You're welcome. And Mr. Paget, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Court is in session and calls number 329-476. Case is style of State of Texas versus Brandon Michael Tankersley. Brandon Michael Tankersley was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. On today's date, at or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Brandon Tankersley. Brandon Tankersley did answer, and Brandon Tankersley went to felony court, felony drug court, and he was to appear back and he has not appeared back in misdemeanor court. Hold on a minute. What did it say?
Please do meet Kevin Lane at your court at 1. And then when they finish, they're coming up to you.
Okay, so Mr. Tankersley still has a court date. He has to go back to drug court. And so at this time, we'll hold off on any bond forfeitures in that case. All right, so this will conclude the calling of County Court at Law number 2 trial docket, the announcement docket, pretrial conference and plea docket. All 3 dockets are scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of February 7th of 2022 in County Court at Law number 2. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day.